Incremental things. I'm your host, Guillem, and basically this video is to more or less describe how the anniversary event of SuperMemo and a sales repetition will be carried out. It will be March 1st, tomorrow, at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. European time, or the time in Poland. It happens to be that I live in the same time zone. In case you don't, if you go, in this case it's the first server, SuperMemo Wiki, click on the event, and you will see the time on your time zone. As easy as that. You don't need to do math. And you have all of these links in the description. Nice. So basically, this year, the 37th, we'll have 3 different parts instead of 2. More or less to cater different audiences, and we can reach as many people as possible. First is about SuperMemo, the company, the product, the software, and we will have Piotr Wozniak, the creator, and Krzysztof Biedalak, the CEO. They both co-founded the company. And basically the CEO is more in the SuperMemo World, the language app, rather than the Incremental reading app. But he will be both. Ask any question. But I have something to share with you that this has been shared like less than 1 hour ago. Super fresh. So let me create some hype why you should come tomorrow on the event live. First, on the first part, won't be recorded. You will need to be there. And this is what told me. Sorry for the low resolution. I would like to use some idea as a surprise for everyone, including you, meaning me, because I have some privileged information that is not public. I hope it will live up to the event. That means that Piotr Wozniak will launch some breaking news. He has some bomb and explode that, oh wow, oh my god, I don't know what it is. He says it will be a surprise for me. So if you want to know what it is, join tomorrow, live. It won't be recorded, the first part. And you will be surprised at the same time as I will be. And this will be what you see here with the robot with the book is the first server. About 1 hour, from 1 to 2 p.m. Then the second will be the Soki community. That's a new community that, well, long story short, is from the company I co-founded that basically goes into the direction of the content. That is this logo, and it's basically go beyond the tool. I'm more into the philosophy behind SuperMemo. The self-directedness. You learn by yourself using tools, but it's not necessarily speaking about the tool, but the philosophy behind. All of that there is. Soki community. And it's this event at 2 p.m. And then there will be a third part in the end school slavery server, and it's about education freedom. So it's this logo, and this is more like extreme in the sense that we want to eradicate what's called the Prussian system. How we know the school system works with exams, deadlines, curriculums, homework, all of this. This is called Prussian system. To eradicate it, get rid of it. Themes like perhaps dyslexia that is caused by this coercion, the suicide ratios, and all of this. The school strikes. So it's more like it's a different audience. Feel free to join in any part that I mentioned. Remember, all of the joining links are at the bottom, so you just need to go to the comment or description box and just go through the links. And if you're on Discord, it's a good opportunity to create an account. It's well worth it, believe me. See you incrementally. Nothing more to add, and see you tomorrow on Discord.